In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the Japanese yen, which is in the midst of a 2-day rebound. In that 2 days, we've actually jumped in the yen almost 1% off the lows, about 95 basis points to be exact. On the lows today, we were through 90, 89.74 in that December contract. That was down 0.08 of 1%. But on the settlement, up about 1/3% at about 90.10 or so. 90.22 was the high, up about 46 basis points. This was the weakest month, and I'm talking about September, for the Japanese yen since going all the way back to March of 2020. So overall, the weakness still there despite this 2-day rally. We did have some good recent data coming out of Japan. The consumer confidence figure was as expected, and the Tankan Manufacturing Index was better than expected, really the whole set of Tankan data. Consumer confidence came out 37.8, right around as expected, but better than last month's reading of 36.7. And then you look at the Tankan All Industry CapEx figure, up 10.1% versus expectations of 9.1%. And then you look at the large manufacturing index, that came in at 18, was expected to come in at 13. So overall, the data lately has been either flat or good over the last couple of days. That'll give a tailwind to a currency, all else equal. And then with the dollar weaker as it's been over the last couple of days, dollar has about a 2-day pullback going in as well, driven by the rates moving lower, especially today. You look on the longer end of the U.S. curve, the 10-year, the 20-year, the 30-year, all down in terms of yield. Anywhere from 2 to 4 basis points. But then you go to the shorter end of the curve, it's either flat or down 1 basis points. That drove the dollar a little lower, giving a little bit of a lift to the yen, a little bit of a tailwind for the yen to finish up for its second consecutive day higher, up about 1/3 of 1% on the day.